how you can enable multi-snap option on your Snapchat. If you didn't know, Snapchat has this feature called Multisnap where you can send multiple snaps at one time. So I'm going to show you how you can turn them on. First, open your Snapchat app, and on this camera menu you can see there is a drop down option at the right side of your screen. Just tap on this drop down menu and there are a lot of options. As you can see, flash, director mode, sound, night, tone, grid, timer, focus, and finally the multi-snap. So if you enable the grid, it will be easier for you to line up your photos. And to enable your multi-snap, what you can do is just tap on it, and now you can click multiple snaps at the same time, and you will be able to send multiple snaps at the same time. But if this option is not available to you, what you can do is go to your settings and go to your app, find Snapchat there, scroll all the way down and find your Snapchat there. Once you find your Snapchat, what you can do is clear its cache one time, and doing so should solve the problem, but it is not 100% sure. And another thing that you can do is you can log out of your once by going to your profile and to the settings and scroll all the way down, tap on this logout and re-log in. And the final thing that you can do is delete all of your Snapchat's data and re-log into your account. Those might fix your problem.